Well, there's a few things you learn when you buy a Challenger. Number one is you really don't have to slow down for corners, which creates kind of a problem. I tell you, the first time I went to the store, bought a couple bags of groceries, threw them in the trunk, and I found out the Challenger has this uncanny feature built into it that unpacks your groceries when you drive home from the store. So first thing I had to do was buy a cargo net. What I did is I bought the 43-inch cargo net. That just seems to fit in there perfectly. And then the problem was, how do you mount it? You don't want to drill any holes. I thought of magnets, thought of that stick-on stuff. Yeah, like it's really going to stick to the carpeting. Anyway, after a couple days of thought, I came up with a solution. Number one is they got these nice little nuts here that turn off really easy. And here's the loop on the end of it. You just put the loop in there, tighten the nut down, and you're good to go on there. Now what about the bottom? Well, as you all know, the Challenger has this feature to where it kind of pops up over here. Well, here's what you do. The cargo net thing comes with this little button feature. Here's the glue-on things, but that ain't gonna work. Okay, you take these, you put them on the loops. All you need to do is just slide it up underneath here. Put the trunk lid back down. Close it up. Guess what? You got your cargo net. I'm going to put my gym bag in here, put 2-liter bottles of soda, up to five or six bags of groceries. It stretches out enough. You can double layer them. I mean, so there you go. Now, you know how to put a nice little cargo net that stays out of the way in your Challenger trunk. And you don't have to have groceries flying all over the trunk.